Okay, so today, mga moms, ang gagawin natin is Acrygel nail extensions. Okay, so as you can see here, yung ginagawa ni Mommy Shay ng ating top head trainer, binabuff niya yung buong nail bed. Yung wala ka makikita shine. So, ibig sabihin, kahit yung mga gilid, kailangan naka-buff siya para may kakapitan yung Acrygel. So na pag na-buff na fully yung buong nail bed, wag niyong kakalimutan na kailangan wala kayong maskip lalo sa edges ha, kasi dun nagli-lift si Acrygel. After nun, yun, lagyan mo ng primer to remove the excess oil in the nail bed. And then proceed now to putting on your base gel. For any wattage, cure it 30 seconds or less. Kasi alam nyo, pagka sobra doon, luto si base gel, hindi didikit si Acrygel. Now, if fit mo yung nail form, kailangan sakto sa kuko or sobra, wag yung kulang. Then you get a pea size ng Acrygel. Soak your brush in isopropyl alcohol. Then while basa ang brush mo, madrag mo yung Acrygel dun sa form para pumormang kuko siya. So, if it's square, if it's almond shape, it's ballerina, pwede mo na siyang medyo kortihan dun para hindi ka na masyado magpa-file. So, pagka binaba mo siya sa nail bed, kailangan yung tip, i-push mo talaga siya sa nail bed na walang space in between. So, kailangan naka-press on siya sa nails. So, eventually, syempre, aapaw yung gel na nasa loob. Kailangan i-dip mo yung tool mo sa isopropyl alcohol and remove the excess dun sa mga edges para less filing tayo mamaya. So now, if it's fully secured, yung nga pala, yung sa likod, mga moms, don't forget na naka-flatten din. Kasi kapipindot nung simula, syempre, pwedeng magkaroon ng mga uneven gels do sa likod. So, cure it and then make your next set for the next fingers. Same procedure. Pag natutuyo yung brush, nahihirapan ka rin i-drag yung gel. So, kailangan you dip it thoroughly through isopropyl alcohol para maporma mo yung gel. And gel is very easy. Napakadaling i-drag compared dun sa mga existing gels natin before. So this is like a new innovation, mas madaling nail extensions. We've been in the nail extension industry for 2 years, so dinaanan namin yung acrylic before gel nails, and now this Acrygel, which is easier to use and faster to make. And I know in every salon, yung time is very important. Syempre, every client ang kita ng salon. So, the more client, syempre, the more kita. There, yun. No? Inaalis yung excess kasi mahihirapan tayo i-file later. So, the more na mas malinis siya ngayon bago mo pa siya i-cure, less filing. So, yung curing times, I'll put it in the description bar and you can read it kung anong wattage, ilang minuto mo gagawin yung curing time. So, after you can file it to your desired shape, make sure na kakapain mo yung nails na walang parang matalim after mo siya i-file. So, this is square. Napakadali lang niya. Yung rough edges, make sure wala na doon. Ifa-file mo siya. And then, it's easier kapag meron, lalo dun near the cuticle na may sobrang Acrygel, use a nail drill. Nail files can work pero medyo mas matrabaho. Ito, napakabilis. Few seconds, you're finished. And this will be available at Catwalk and Bloom Gel Philippines Facebook page very soon. Napakadaling gamitin, and we offer free training in the office for the nail drills pagdating ng stocks namin. Today is January 29, 2018. So, baka may makapanood nito na from ano pa, I mean, nang matagalan sa date, you might be thinking na parating pa lang yung nail drills. So, let's go. And the client wanted red, deep red. So, lahat ng red, meron kami. Catwalk, see how well pigmented is that. One coat, buo na agad. Pero syempre, we advise to do 2 coats. Pero yun, yung consistency niya, hindi siya masyado nag-run. It does run, pero sobrang konti lang. And then cure it, same routine. Second coat, you'll see it's a really nice deep red. Marami kaming magagandang colors. See? Ganda. Yung pag-apply niya, para ka nag-apply ng regular polish. Ganun kadali. And, I swear, tong top coat na to, parang glass type siya. Yung shine niya, look. Kahit ma-cure yan, ganyan siya kakintab. With other gel polish, parang nawawala yung shine niya. Mga in a day or two. This one, just put in some alcohol and you're good. See? It's so shiny. Ganda.